What's the meaning of blurt? Blurt. Blurt.
Blurt. Blurt. The word blurt is often used to refer to the act of saying something suddenly and without thinking, or to reveal something that was meant to be kept secret. To blurt out is to speak impulsively, sometimes because of excitement or nervousness. It can also be used to describe an involuntary utterance or exclamation. The word carries a connotation of surprise or embarrassment, as though the speaker has revealed too much about their intentions or thoughts. In short, blurt refers to the act of saying something without forethought or intention, often resulting in unintended consequences or embarrassment.